we have more than 20,000 bee species. More than 20,000. In that, no, in India, extractable and in only five species. We are extracting from only in 5 species. One is the rock bee. I think you might have seen in the cities. Whatever the bees you see in the cities and the mountains, so all are rock bee. All are rock bees. You can compare the size. As compared to this, no, rock bee will be little bigger. That is very ferocious in nature. We cannot rear, but with some precaution we can extract honey from that. So in just one frame, no, in a year we can extract almost 30 to 35 kg of honey in just 1 year. That's about the rock bee. Next one we have a little bee. The name says little bee means smaller in size. Honey production from that, no, it's around maximum 500 gram per year. That's it, not more than that. And it won't stay in single place. It will keep on changing the place. That is the reason we cannot rear, but we can extract honey from that. So that is about the little bee. Next one we have a Indian bee. This is the Indian bee. In scientific name it is called as a Apis cerana. Honey production from this, no, it's around 7 to 8 kg per box per year. We have one more bee, so that is the European bee. From that, no, we can extract almost 10 to 15 kg per year. So that is Apis mellifera in scientific name. We have one more type of bee. So this is the one. This is called as a dammer bee. This is called as a dammer bee. It's a stingless bee. This doesn't have a sting. Okay. So this is about the dammer bee. Honey production from this, no, it is very less than 200 grams per year. From one box, in just one box or one colony, we can extract maximum 200 grams. So that's about the dammer bee. So if you say this is a one colony or one family, there are 3 types of bees are there. One is the queen bee, drone and worker bee. What queen do every day?
It will lay eggs.
It will lay the eggs. Every day it can able to lay 1,200 to 2,000 eggs per day. It all depends on the worker bee instruction. Okay, so that's about the queen.
And it can make honey from nectar.
Very good.
Okay, so lifespan will be around 2 to 3 years. The queen bee lifespan will be around 2 to 3 years. That's about the queen bee. Next one we have a drone. Drone is a male bee. Drone is a male bee. The work of a drone is only for helping a reproduction. Okay, and also it helps to maintain a temperature inside the colony. That is the work is done by drone. Next one we have a worker bee. Worker bee lifespan will be around maximum 6 weeks. It may be 42 or 43 days or 44 days. Okay, in his entire lifespan, no, almost 60% of their lifespan they spend inside the colony. When it is inside, no, they feed a raw veggie to the queen bee, clean the colony, maintaining a temperature. All the work is done by worker bee. When it is inside, when it go outside, it will collect a nectar and pollen and it will come back to the colony. That is the work is done by worker bee. Actual colony is controlled by worker bee only, not a queen bee. Okay, so this is about the worker bee. Now tell me why it has to slow the honey. Why? When it stings you, right? When the worker bee stings you, it will die. You know why?
Sorry?
Because the poison excess energy.
When worker bee stings you, it will die.
Like needle will get stuck inside our body.
Digestive system.
So that sting is connected to entire digestive tract. When it stings you, it will stick to our skin. So that's the reason entire digestive system will be collapsed. So that's the reason that will die. But when queen bee stings you, it won't die. Because the queen bee stings will be like this. It will be narrow. When it stings you, it will come back. But worker bee stings will be ridges. It have a ridges. That's the reason it is sticking to the skin.
I'm not gonna trouble them.
You are not going to trouble them. Okay. So drone doesn't have a stings. Drone is a male bee. Drone doesn't have a stings. Okay.
And if you trouble them, they will eat.
They will no. They don't. They will sting you. Okay, we'll show you. Okay, we'll show you. You know how bees usually communicate? We have our own language, right?
Like a circle and many other patterns.
They do a dance. They do a dance and also they can release a pheromone. They can communicate in 2 ways. One is by dance, one is by releasing a pheromone. Pheromone is nothing but one kind of smell. One kind of smell they are going to release to communicate. Okay, for example, the food source is less than 50 meters. They can communicate in the shape of circle. If the food source is more than 50 meters, they can communicate in the shape of 8. For example, when it stings you, right, it will release a venom. Along with the venom, they can also release a pheromone. So by that pheromone, no, what other bees think, somebody attacked our colony, we need to protect ourselves. That is a sign. So even other bees start singing. So that is how they communicate. For each and every activity, they communicate by releasing a pheromones and also dance. Almost more than 12 type of dance are there. You just check in Google, you can come to know.
So these stinging bees are like, suicide bombers.
Even they know when he stings, he die. But still they do that.
Uncle, he's telling how the bees will grow.
Wait here. Aleri, we there. Aleri. So don't go near to that. Come this side. You can come this side. Ale barte. We'll come there. Ale barte. Aleri, he will come.
No, don't. Why they always form the honeycomb structure?
Why they make honeycomb?
Honeycomb.
Hexagonal shape. We'll tell you. So can you go back a little bit? So we'll take it. Actually, what's that?
Go back, they are saying go back.
It's the season to open the It's very cold, right? So that's the reason. If they definitely they get irritated because of
Oh, we should not irritate them now.
You can see the queen also here. As compared to the worker bees, the queen bee size is a little bigger in length. Aleri.
In this one, we can figure out queen bee. Trishu, can you see?
Yes, how can I see?
The dark brown color, elongated one, the below one.
Where?
Yeah, I
Queen bee.
pointed now, I pointed.
Ha.
Can I see it? Excuse me.
Only the abdominal length, no?
This if you
That
see-
is bigger as compared to worker.
Please, if you are seeing, go back. So let other guys see.
Trishu, queen bee दिखा रहे हैं मुझे. देखो वो उंगली से पॉइंट कर रहे हैं ना.
Then honeybees will not bite.
Not bite, because if we don't trouble them, they will not bite.
The other bees are protecting it.
Ah.
Covering.
These